This hot springs relaxation will guide you to imagine relaxing outdoors in a natural, hot water spring in the mountains. Start by finding a comfortable position, seated or lying down. Let your arms rest at your sides, with your hands open, limp, and relaxed. Breathe deeply and slowly to start to relax your body. Breathe in and out. In, out. In, out. Keep breathing slowly like this, allowing each breath to relax your body as you release tension each time you exhale. Create a picture in your mind of a quiet retreat in the mountains. Right now, you are in a cozy cabin. Out the windows, you can see the snowy landscape. The cabin is on a mountainside and is surrounded by trees and rocks. Looking out the window, you can see huge rocks towering above the cabin. Between a crack in the rocks, you can see a trickle of steaming water. The snow all around this trickle of water is melted, exposing the gray rocks to either side. The water flows down into a natural pool. Imagine that you are wearing sandals and a warm bathrobe over a bathing suit, preparing to go out to the hot springs. Picture opening the front door of the cabin and stepping out into the snow. As you walk briskly along the path, some of the snow touches the top of your bare feet. It is so cold. You feel a tingly, almost burning sensation where the snow touched your skin. You rush toward the water, seeing the steam rising from the hot springs. There is so much steam, the air around you is foggy. You reach the side of the hot springs, where the hot water has melted the snow all around. The springs are perfectly clear and made of rock. The water at the side of the springs is shallow. Imagine stepping out of your bathrobe and laying it on the warm, dry rocks where the snow has melted. You step out of your shoes and into the steaming water. The water at the edge of the pool is ankle deep. After the feeling of the cold snow, the water feels very hot on your feet. The air around you is cold, and snowflakes are falling softly. To get relief from the cold, you step further into the hot springs. The rocks make natural seats in the water. You can sit down in the water, which comes up to just below your chin. Feel the luxurious warmth all around you. Your hands and feet feel tingly and hot at first. eventually settling into a pleasant feeling of warmth. The water is just the right temperature. Your feet rest on the smooth rock bottom of the hot springs, and you can lean back against the gently sloped stone sides of the pool. Imagine leaning back and closing your eyes with a sigh. Allow your body to completely relax. The warmth of the water surrounds you. Let your arms rest at your sides, floating just a little. Allow the muscles of your arms to relax completely. Your arms feel heavy and relaxed, and at the same time weightless. It is such a calm, pleasant feeling. Feel your neck and shoulders relaxing, surrounded by warmth. The healing water brings relaxation and calm. Your shoulders lower slightly, relaxing, easing the tension away, becoming loose and relaxed. Feel your upper back relaxing, your collarbones and chest. You are so relaxed. You can feel the water against your skin, gently moving. Feel the occasional bubble tickle your skin as it brushes against you, while it rises to the surface of the water. Allow your stomach and lower back to relax, letting go of tension. So warm and relaxed. Feel your legs relaxing all the way from your hips to your knees, to your feet. Your legs are so warm and relaxed. Like your arms, your legs feel heavy, but also weightless as they float slightly in the water. Feel the warmth all around you. The hot springs soothe your muscles. You can relax completely. Feel the coolness of the snowflakes on your forehead. It feels so pleasant. A wonderful contrast from the hot water. Let all your stresses escape, drifting away like the rising steam. Notice the beautiful scenery around you. Snow, trees, and rocks peering through the fog. It is so quiet here. The only sound is the quiet trickling of the water from a crack in the rocks. You can hear the water, very quiet as it flows into the pool. So peaceful. Feel your muscles relaxing even further. You are completely warm, deeply relaxed. Just relax now enjoying these beautiful hot springs. When you are ready to reawaken and return to the hours ahead, imagine stepping out of the hot springs onto the warm, dry rocks beside. See yourself putting on your bathrobe and sandals and going back inside the cabin. The snow that touches your feet feels pleasantly cool and helps you to wake up. Imagine opening the cabin door and going inside. The cabin is warm and dry. Keep with you a feeling of warmth and calm as you gradually return to the present. Notice your actual surroundings and become reoriented to where you are right now. Move your arms and legs and feel your muscles waking up. Sit quietly for a moment with your eyes open, returning to full wakefulness. When you are completely awake and alert, you can return to your day filled with energy.